Hey, bloomin' beauties, and welcome to the daisy fields. In today's video, I will be creating a whipped foaming sugar scrub that will resemble mint chocolate chip ice cream. Our ingredients, we have our foaming bath whip to the top left. And next to that, I have all of my butters, which includes my shea butter and cocoa butter, Sal Butter, as well as Cupuacu. And then I have my oils. And in that bowl, I have my Borage, Tamanu, Moringa, black currant seed, Argan Oil, and evening Primrose. And in that clear bowl in the center, I do have my glycerin. In the final bowl, I do have my Shea Butter based melt and pour. And I will be using this to create my chocolate chips that I will be incorporating into the whipped sugar scrub. So stay tuned. And I hope you enjoy. Here I am filling in the chocolate mold with the melt and pour, and I did color it with some mica to give it that brown chocolate color. In this bowl, I have all of my melted butters, including my beeswax. To my stand mixer, I added my glycerin as well as my foaming bath whip, and I whipped on low to medium speed. Going to add in my ginger root powder as well as my lemon powder and mix that on low speed until incorporated. Off screen, I added my oils to my melted butters, and I will slowly start incorporating this into the whip. You see in this bowl here, I had an excess of butters and oils, so in my next video I'll show you what you can do with that. I like to maintain a soft velvety texture because at this point, if the mixture is stiff or hard, once you add the sugar it will get even harder. So I like to maintain a fluffy texture and then add sugar according to that. I always advise to record your measurements, even if you're making products for yourself, but especially if you're making products for your business. This will ensure accuracy and consistency with each product that you make. So off screen, I broke up these pieces of chocolate into the little squares so that it could resemble chocolate chips, and you'll see I'll start slowly pouring them into the mixture, and then I'll go ahead and give it a quick stir. At this point, I realized that this was not the correct color match. It was giving pistachio ice cream opposed to chocolate chip, but I still went ahead and added my peppermint fragrance as well as my vitamin E oil and my preservative. And later on, I went ahead and corrected the color, making it this, which is perfect. I will now use my ice cream scoop to scoop up the product. And I bought these ice cream pints because I felt like this was the perfect container for this sort of project. And I like the way it came out. This particular one was the one that I used to take photos. So that is why you see me putting a lot of chocolate chips on there just to make it look nice and pretty for the photo shoot. Here I am filling the remaining containers full of ice cream, quote unquote ice cream. And of course, you always have to pat down the product, beat it down so that you are not selling air. And then again, these ones are used for photos. The ones that are actually sold, I will scrape off the top, of course, and then put the actual top on. So these are just for photos. This was a special container, an ice cream cone that my daughter wanted me to fill up for her. So this one is specifically for her, and she absolutely loved it. Just tidying up the containers, adding a couple more chocolate chips so that it can fully complete the look. And again, the tops will be scraped off. And this is the final product. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be posting another video showing what I created with the remaining butters and oils, and at the end of this video you will see a preview of that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.